Hello and welcome. My name is Liz, for those that don't know me. I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you, so let's go. Okay, in this video I wanted to show you how to use shadows. So really helpful when you are doing a mock-up image. So I just put in here an image of a list sheet that a line sheet that I've done. So what I'm going to do here is, because it's in as an image, we're going to click on edit image, and we can go down to where it says shadows, and we can add a drop shadow. So then that makes it look more 3D. Okay, so we can also, with the drop shadow, you can't then go to another page and drag that in, the shadow will disappear. So to do another one, you would have to do the same step again. But if you don't want to do that, you can go into elements and type in shadow. And I'm going to go to static and free and apply filters. And I'm not sure if you can actually see these ones very clearly because they're quite dark, but we'll see in a second once I find the right size. Just looking for one that looks about A4. So this one. Okay, so I've just clicked on this one. So if I drag that into the corners of my document now, and my document license position backwards. Okay, so it's a tiny bit out of size, but that's okay. Let's just a little bit and across. Kind of see just that tiniest bit. Okay. All right, so just want to adjust my image slightly so that it fits perfectly. So sometimes you have to zoom in a little bit and just make sure to see here it's kind of a little bit bigger. Align that up. Line that bit up. Okay, now it looks good. I'm getting a message about my internet connection, so I'm hoping that it's still working. Okay, so that is how you do a drop shadow. And then if you wanted to drag and drop in a different page, you can easily do that, and the background is going to stay there. So that is perfect for mock-ups. So I just wanted to show you how to do those shadows. Now there are also, when you go back to elements, there are also other shadows that you can use. So you can use like these sorts of shadows with plants. So you could add to your design a shadow like that going over your page, just to give it more of a real feel. So I just wanted to show you how to use shadows very quickly. I hope that this series has helped you with figuring out some things in Canva. If you've got any questions at all, or you'd like to see some videos on anything in particular, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, happy designing, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.